Most customers nowadays prefer to have things emailed to them as opposed to faxed. Main Street has the ability to email work orders and invoices from the system, along with several other email options. To be able to email from your Main Street Glas-Avenue software, you'll first need to set up your mail configuration. To do this, you'll go to Admin, Configuration. You'll then go to the Mail Configuration option and choose Edit. In the server type, you'll normally want to select SMTP/MS. If you are using Outlook, and this is the regular version of Outlook, not Outlook Express, you can change to Outlook. There are several other server types listed here, but you'll only want to use either Outlook or SMTP/MS. If you're using the SMTP/MS option, you'll then need to put in your outgoing mail server address. Some mail servers require you to use a particular port. If you have that situation, you can fill in the port information. Most do not. Then you'll fill in your account name and the password, and this is the account name and password for your email. From there, you'll put in the reply address that you want to use. And then the name that you'd like displayed. And then most mail servers require a login, so you'll want to check the login required box. If you would like everybody in the company to just use this email information, you can choose the Save as Default box. However, you can set up the email for each individual user. To do that, you'd need to log in to the Main Street software under that user and then go into the Configuration Manager to set up the mail. The thing that makes it the easiest, I think, is to set up the mail server account name and password under one email, save that as a default, and then when you go in under another user, that information will already be there, and then you can just put in a different reply address and display name. It won't matter if all the email is going out through one account. What the customer will see at their end when they receive the email is simply the reply address and display name. So if that's different than the email account that was used to send it out, that's fine. After you've got your settings, choose Save, and then you'll want to test to make sure that everything's working properly. And click on the Send Test Message, and then you should get the message like this that says that it's been sent successfully. If you get some sort of error message, the most likely cause is that you don't have the appropriate account name or password set up, or it could be that the SMTP that you have in there is incorrect. Another reason you may get an error message is that the mail configuration in Main Street will not work with many of the free online emails such as Yahoo or Gmail. Once you have your account set up and tested it and it's working successfully, choose the X, exit out of your configuration manager, exit out of your Main Street software and go back in, and you're ready to email.